Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and I'm going to make this very short video because I kind of forgot one of the basic concepts that I should have covered in the basics section, but I never had to use it. Like I did not come across anything where I would use it, so I forgot about it. But we are going to cover the end function in print. So the way this works is if I have print Vishu and I have print Kamble, which is my last name. If I run this, you will see Vishu Kamble in two separate lines. This is the default behavior of the print function. Whenever you call print, it starts on a new line. But if I want this two print statements, but I want to print it in the same line, that is when I will use the end method, which will help me like concatenate these two print statements. What I mean is if I run this now, you will see Vishu Kamble in one line. It's next to each other, not one below the other, that the print statement prints it out. Now this also means that you can have Vishu and then gmail.com and you can end this with @. When you add the symbol @, it is going to add and print it in one line. So this is basically the use of end function. Whatever you put in over here, it will print the first argument, then it will print this because that's the ending statement of print, and then it would continue from here. So if I print this now, you will see that there's a bunch of hashtags, but that's basically the whole idea about end method in print. All you're doing is telling the print statement to not start from a new line, but instead just continue from where it left last. And that's it. Pretty easy. I never had to use it, to be honest. Like I always use the printf method because it makes things easier. But I can understand if you have some code over here, like you have some lines of code and like this, and then you have to print something, but you want both of them to come together. At that time, you can use the end function. But I think that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.